Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. People's right to have access to an official information finds place in resolution 59 bracket 1 bracket of the UN General Assembly held in 1946 full stop. It states that freedom of information is a fundamental human right and the touchstone to all the freedoms to which the United Nations is consecrated full stop. India is a party to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights and hence India is under an obligation to effectively guarantee the right to information full stop. Article 19 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights also recognizes right to information full stop. Right to information also emanates from the fundamental right guaranteed to citizens under Article 19 bracket 1 bracket A bracket of the Constitution of India full stop. Constitution of India does not explicitly grant a right to information full stop. In Bennett, Coleman and Co. and others versus Union of India and others bracket 1972 bracket 2 SCC 788, this court observed that it is indisputable that by freedom of press meant the right of all citizens to speak, comma, publish and express their views and freedom of speech and expression includes within its compass the right of all citizens to read and be informed, full stop, in Union of India versus Association of Democratic Reforms and another bracket 2002 bracket 5 SCC 294, comma, this court held that the right to know about the antecedents including criminal past of the candidates contesting the election for Parliament and State Assembly is a very important and basic facets for survival of democracy, and for this purpose, comma, information about the candidates to be selected must be disclosed, full stop, in state of UP versus Raj Narayan and others bracket 1975 bracket 4 SCC 428, comma, this court recognized that the right to know is the right that flows from the right of freedom of speech and expression guaranteed under Article 19 bracket 1 bracket A bracket of the Constitution, full stop, in People's Union for Civil Liberties and others versus Union of India and another bracket 2003 bracket 4 SSC 399, this court observed that the right to information is a facet of freedom of speech and expression contained in Article 19 bracket 1 bracket A bracket of the Constitution of India, full stop, stop.